Hello, my name is Hussein Shahrood. This is a documentary on carbon, but to fully understand what carbon is, you must know what an atom and an element are. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. It is also the smallest particle that makes up mass. An element is a pure substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances. Atoms have three subatomic particles. These particles are called protons, neutrons, and electrons, each having different charges. Protons have a positive charge and a mass of 1 AMU. Neutrons have no charge with a mass of 1 AMU, and electrons have a negative charge with a mass of 0 AMU. Protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus, which is also where the mass is made up. The electrons are located around the nucleus, but are weightless, so it is referred to as the electron cloud. This is what current research says about the current model of the atom. Carbon's symbol is simply the letter C, derived from the English language named by Antoine Lavoisier. Carbon has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. 4 of the electrons are on the outer shell of the electron cloud. But this model can be misleading to one who hasn't studied atoms, as it shows the electrons orbiting the nucleus the way the planets orbit the sun. This is misleading because it is impossible to see where an atom's electrons really are located. If you were to look at the actual model of the carbon atom, it would appear to be smeared. Carbon has a density of 2.267 and has a melting point of 6,422 degrees Fahrenheit, which converts to 3,550 degrees Celsius, which is also the highest of all elements. Some fun facts about carbon: if you were to line 10 million carbon atoms, it would only measure 1 millimeter. The atomic mass average is 12, and it is very hard. Carbon is located on block number 6, group number 14, meaning carbon has non-metal properties. Carbon is very stable, especially on average temperatures, and is found literally everywhere. Carbon makes up about 0.2% of the Earth's crust. Carbon also has many interesting uses, such as making graphite found in pencils, brushes for electric motors, and furnace linings. It is also used to make things such as diamonds and carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a strong, lightweight material used to make tennis rackets, wallets, phone cases, and even on the chassis of cars in the automobile industry. Carbon forms a large number of compounds, more than any other element. It is often referred to as the building block of life because of its ability to bond to other non-metallic compounds so easily. Carbon forms compounds such as oil and natural gas, made from carbon and hydrogen, which is another element on the periodic table of elements. Without carbon, life itself would not exist, as life is entirely carbon-based. Without carbon, things like diamonds, cars, food, and even yourself would not exist today.